So today I'm going to do a really quick Beehive for Jim. To prepare, I've used Big Sexy Hair Extra Volume Shampoo, and I've used Short Sexy Hair Blow It Up to rough dry. At the moment I'm just using some back home in a bottle from Big Sexy Hair. Just going to spray it all over, make sure I've got plenty of oil in. So I've already twisted the back up, so that that's going to be really easy. I'm going to fuss with that. I'm going to start smoothing the hair over and pinning it into place. Just using regular hairpins. So you will have seen this hair on Cheryl Cole, Lopez, Rihanna, Hilton, Kardashian, everybody's had a Beehive really. It's quite a quick and easy one to do yourself. I suppose the most obvious Beehive to think of is Amy Winehouse, but I won't do that for you today. Just lifting it to give it a little bit of extra volume. I'm just going to use a little bit of Control Maniac from Short Sexy Hair to smooth it all out.